Hi students, today we are starting our new topic, solution of exercise 1.2. Okay, in that topic we want to solve the simultaneous equation graphically. That means we want to use the graphs to solve the linear equation in two variables. So one by one we will see it. So our first question of the exercise is complete the following table to draw the graph of the equations. Okay. So first equation is given to you, x plus y is equals to 3. So here some values are given, you want to find out the remaining values or you want to fill the table given below. Okay, so we will discuss our first table. In that first table, value of x is given to you, it is 3. Then you want to find out the value of y. Okay, then you put the value of x in our equation, x plus y is equals to 3. In that equation if you put the value, then you will get y is equals to 0. So your coordinate is become 3, 0. Understand? Okay. Then in second column, value of y is given to you. So the value of y is 5. You want to find out the value of x. Okay, so here y's value you put in the equation, x plus y is equals to 3. So you will get the value of x minus 2. That means your coordinate is become minus 2, 5. And similarly, if the value of y is 3, then you will get the value of x is also 0. So your third coordinate is 0, 3. It is very simple to find out the values of coordinates. If the one coordinate is given, you can just put the value of that first coordinate into your equation, then you will get your second coordinate. Okay, so then we will see the second equation, x minus y is equals to 4. In that, if value of y is given to you 0, if the value of y is 0, then you put that value into equation, x minus y is equals to 4. So your first coordinate is 4, 0. Okay, then if the value of x is given, value of x is minus 1. So you put that value into the equation, you will get your answer, x is equals to minus 5. So your answer is here minus 1, minus 5. Then last, value of x is given to you 0. Then you put that value into the equation and you will get your last coordinate 0, minus 4. Okay, so in that question no need to draw the graph, you just want to fill the table. Okay, then we will see our next question. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. So for that you want to prepare this type of tables for each equation and then plot that graph. Okay, so one by one we will see it. So first question, in the first question equations are given to us. So first equation is x plus y is equals to 6. Okay, so you can write down y is equals to 6 minus x. It is also form, if you send the x in opposite direction it will goes to minus sign. Okay, so y is equals to 6 minus x. Then you will take the values of x. It is 0, 6, 3, 4. You put the values in your equation, you will get the values of y. Okay, so these are the solutions of your first equation. Then similarly you solve the second equation, x minus y is equals to 4. So y is equals to x minus 4. Then take the values of x different, so you will get your answer. Okay, then you want to draw the graph of these two lines at a time. Okay, so here you observe that, so coordinates of first equations are 0, 6. Where is the 0, 6? That point lies here. Okay, then you want to plot 6, 0. 6, 0 is appearing here now. Then you want to draw 3, 3. 3, 3 is here. Then last one 4, 2. 4, 2 comes here. Okay, so all the points of first equation you plot here. Then you want to draw a straight line passing through all these points. So we will draw that type of straight line here. Okay, then So the equation of that line you write down on that line, x plus y is equals to 6. This is your first line. Okay, then we want to draw the second line. So you will see which are the coordinates of second line. 0 comma minus 4. So the 0 comma minus 4 is comes here. Then 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is coming here. 2 comma minus 2, it is here. And then last one is 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1 is here. So similarly you can draw the straight line passing through the all points. So you will see, write down this equation of the line on that line. Okay, so these two lines are intersecting at some point. You will see which point is that, 5 comma 0. So this is the solution of your simultaneous equation. That means the value of x is 5 and value of y is 1. So the solution of your equation is 5 comma 1. Understand? So in this matter you want to solve the graphically. Again one thing is remaining here. You want to write down the scale on the axis. It is very important. So scale on the both axes is 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. And you also write down the name of the axis properly. Okay, so in this manner you want to solve the remaining questions of that exercise. So complete your exercise. If any doubt, then you ask to me. Thank you.